thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Irina and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to speak to you how I use Krita as an ADHD person and how do I avoid being overly stimulated, because there are a lot of things here. First of all, I'm treating Krita as a piece of paper. So that means that I don't like to use a type of layers. I don't like to use these things like luminosity, multiply. I don't like to use masking. I know these are important things and a lot of people use them, but it's okay for you to have fun and just draw. So it's a piece of paper. Second of all, having a type of tablet like this with a crayon is very helpful because you can actually feel like you're drawing on a piece of paper. I also had a Wacom tablet, but I didn't manage to draw with it because I honestly didn't like it. It's different when you are feeling like you're drawing, and this type of tablet doesn't also need the glove, so it's very easy to use, and you can also use it after that. It's not like a specific drawing tablet, so I use it also for movies and emails and everything you need. I will have for number 3, this is a bad advice, and sometimes you will make your tablet crash because tablets don't have such a big amount of resources yet. And also I used to have a computer, but yeah, this is way better when it comes to my enjoyment into drawing. So store your files on desktop, because even though it's a very bad advice, it will make you, it will remind you as an ADHD person that you also have this hobby like drawing, and that sometimes we tend to forget things if we don't see them. Like I forgot to take my pill until I left it on the table. So I think this is a very useful advice. Store those files. Okay, it's normal, move them if they get too many. It's okay, you just moved it in another place and that's normal, but keep it there. Okay, as I told you in my previous video, there is also a place where you can get free resources and you can download all the brushes you want for free. Of course, you can also donate to people if you have the opportunity and if you want to do that, but it's not mandatory and you could actually just enjoy this. I use only this type of I have all these brushes, so I cannot show you only one, but I have a lot of brushes. I love to download them, and this stimulates my creativity, makes me want to draw, so it's perfect. Number 5, I do not use, as I said, the type of layers and type of masks, and I only use layers. I don't even take the time to rename them because I hate that. And I decided that drawing is a very nice experience and I would like that to stay like this. So I understand that layering, using that type of layer and using the mask would be like a very nice upgrade, but it's something that I honestly don't have mental space to do, so I just refuse to do it. If you want to learn that, of course there are a lot of resources even on YouTube. You can learn. I tried to learn, I couldn't, so I just decided to enjoy my time drawing. So if you're an illustrator and you need to do things like fast and you need to provide results in time and things like this, if I have been a professional illustrator, I would use them. It will save a lot of time, of course, but I'm not, and I will just enjoy it. And the last thing, please, when you start drawing, don't use more than 5 minutes to scroll on Pinterest. I have entire evenings when I try my best to draw something, but I didn't because I fell into Pinterest hole and just couldn't decide on a stupid reference. So since then I do this exercise where I find only 5 minutes and I give myself those 5 minutes to check Pinterest, and just, if not, I will draw something from my memory or something. And also, as a bonus exercise, you can always just go to Pinterest, and if you are bored and you didn't see anything that you would like to draw, you can just refresh it and draw the first picture. From my point of view, that's an amazing exercise, and it's even faster, and you can have a lot of fun drawing your stuff. And yeah, from my point of view, this is something that is very nice and you can do it. And why not? I would recommend you to exercise, but as I saw recently, not every day. Drawing every day, like stressing yourself and getting yourself killed over that, it's not worth it. So please take care of your mental health. It's very, very important. And don't forget to enjoy everything, because you're doing this because you like it, not because you need to do it. Yeah, these are basically my advices, things that I use as a person with ADHD in order to keep drawing on Krita without being overstimulated. I would like to thank you and have a nice day.